I was working with a group of learners, and one learner in particular really had a very negative experience with mathematics. And we did some work actually building their maths eyes. And we went out on one of these maths trails I've talked about, and for one particular moment, they came up with this real world solution of how to solve this maths problem, which was, at the time, I think it was, can we work out the height of the tree? And what they actually did was they said, well, if you stand there and we know you're 5'4", then we're going to be able to work it out, because if we stand back, we know how many of yous line up and back. And they looked at me and they said, my God, she says, you can do maths. And she said, I know I can now. So it was one of these eureka moments for her. And I think it's kind of stuck in my head, because I don't think I've ever experienced anybody with such a negative attitude that felt that they just couldn't do anything. And yet when they realised that this was it, they sort of said, yeah. And that actually, it kind of influenced what happened afterwards. She was much more willing to engage. She was much more willing to try. And she got her maths module.